Python ideally helps you to type Python code better, find out the errors. So let's go. Open your Google Chrome and log in with your account, and on search bar you need to type download Python. Ideally, okay. See, latest version is 3.9.5. This is the latest version. 3.9.6 is also there. Okay. So select it. See, Python release 3.9.6. So select it. Or you can back. Second link you can click, download the latest version of Python, python.org. Here download Python 3.9.7. Download the latest version of for Windows. Download Python 3.9.7. Click over here. See, download is just started. It is downloading. Just wait few minutes. Hardly it takes 1 minute to download, and then you can install it. Time depends on your internet speed. If internet speed is faster, then it takes less time. Otherwise it takes a lot of time or more time. Okay, so we can wait only. While you are downloading Python, ideally then you need to download latest version only. Take care of the latest version 3.9.7 so that you can use latest features. Ideally helps you to type Python code in a better way, because it helps you by different colors. If mistake happens, it aligns, indent, so easily you can find out the errors and you can remove it. When you are working on command prompt Python, it works slow and there are chances of errors. Rectifying the errors, finding the errors, it is very difficult. That's why I suggest you that whenever or wherever you type Python code, you prefer Python ideally. It is available on python.org. It is a official website of Python. While downloading the software, you should prefer official website only, because if you are downloading from official website, there are less chances of attack of virus. So you can keep your computer safe from virus. See, few seconds are left. After that it will be downloaded. I will run few codes on Python also, so you can learn how to use Python interpreter. Ideally, see, it is downloaded. Then you have to click this triangle, then you can open it so that installation can start. Modify PY launcher. For all users requires elevation. Install the Google PY launchers to make it easier to start Python. Install. Thank you for using Python 3.9.7 64-bit. Close. Here you need to search where Python is installed. So see, this is Python 3.9 64-bit. Click over here. Python 3.9 64-bit. Here you can type few commands like print, hello, hello world. You can use single quote also, otherwise double quote. See, hello world is printed on the screen. Successfully it ran. Hello world. Output is there. So this is the short introduction that how you can download Python in your computer and how you can execute first program of Python. Thank you very much for watching the video.